Well, good morning, East Texas. Let's get you updated on the latest with Major Hurricane Matthew right now making its way north of Haiti, making its way through Cuba overnight along the eastern tip, and now back into the Atlantic Ocean where it's beginning to reorganize a little bit. Now has its eyes set on the Bahamas. Check out the winds down now to 115 miles per hour. That makes it a low-end Category 3 storm, still a major hurricane. And even though the winds have come down now, they'll likely go back up as we progress throughout the afternoon. All these red shaded areas here are hurricane warnings that are in effect. This thing is going to become a major hurricane and rake through the Bahamas with the Category 4 storm as to go throughout the next few days. Then up the east coast or near the east coast of Florida and the Carolinas here as to go throughout the rest of the work week into the weekend. Then that's when things get interesting. Take a look at some of the overnight models and what they're showing. This thing making its way through the Bahamas and up near, very close to southeastern portions of Florida as we head towards Thursday afternoon. So that in itself is very concerning. Then it just rakes the coast, possibly making its way inland around Daytona Beach up towards Jacksonville as, again, a major hurricane. This would be devastating. We don't want to see this at all. And then continue to work its way up the coast to the Georgia coast and up through South Carolina and just off the coast. But then watch what happens after the weekend. This is the new twist in the models. They show this thing doing a loop-de-loop and potentially coming back towards South Florida, maybe even the Gulf of Mexico heading into next week. Stay tuned. But the big story is Matthew stalls out the southeast coast. You know, we have this cold front that's going to be coming in on Friday. Look at the showers and storms ahead of it. But because the circulation around Matthew is so large, it's going to help to pull down a lot of dry air in place across East Texas. So as that rain lines up to our west and tries to make its way in Thursday into Friday, you're going to see what happens. Notice the showers and storms from Oklahoma through the Texas Panhandle. As that pushes into the area, poof, just disappears because it runs into that wall of dry air. So that's how Matthew will actually impact the weather here in East Texas. And so all we'll see on Friday is that cold front moving through, breezy and somewhat cooler, drier conditions heading into the weekend. Your first alert 7-day forecast, highs near 90 for your Wednesday and Thursday, with partly cloudy skies, just an isolated pop-up shower chance, mainly across the south. A few more showers possible on Friday before drier and cooler for the weekend. But Matthew kind of dwindling our rain chances a bit for your Friday, but giving us a very nice weekend on the other end.